Let me tell you a story. So I have some good news and bad news. Which one do you want to hear first? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce, and if you're new to this channel, I make videos about tutorials. I make tutorials about Facebook, WhatsApp, Amazon, and you might have a clue about what this video is about because you already clicked on that thumbnail, and I'm gonna tell you what it is about, okay? So the good news is that my Amazon Associates account has been doing really good. I mean, I am part of the Amazon Associates program since more than a year, maybe 2 years now, and until now I have been able to earn a decent, well, at least for me is a decent amount, because the first year I almost didn't earn anything at all, and during this year I have been able to earn between $5 and $10 maximum. And during the past couple of months my earnings have been going up, which is really good. But yes, there is always a but. But I made a little mistake that can lead to a huge mistake or consequence. That in most of my Amazon tutorials, I had used the Amazon logo, and I had also made it look brighter or changed it a little bit. And I actually used Canva available elements that were referred to Amazon to make my thumbnails. Okay, so here is my most viewed video currently at the moment, and it has 99,000 of views. And with that video, I hadn't earned any money from Amazon. Why? Because I didn't use any Amazon link to that. However, I wanted to make a little bit more of a passive income, and I kept hearing a lot of YouTubers talking about Amazon Associates program and how they were doing great with the sales that they had there. Although I know I'm a smaller YouTuber, so I decided to do a little bit more of a research on the Amazon programs and Amazon Associate programs, Amazon bounties, and Amazon links. And I started using those. And if you want to know more about it, leave that in the comments down below, because I am about to make another video about those ways to earn money, because I want to help you understand Amazon as well and how Amazon Associate program works. So I made this mistake. My account is at risk. Yes, my account is at risk of being closed because according to this email right here, I am not following the trademark guidelines, and I am using Amazon logo, and I am altering this logo, and I shouldn't be doing this. I strongly recommend that whenever you talk about Amazon products or make a video about Amazon, please make sure that you are not using Amazon logo at all. And I know what you're thinking. A lot of people and a lot of YouTubers are using it, and maybe they don't mind. Maybe they are not part of this Amazon Associate program. I don't know. But the thing is that you might be putting at risk your Amazon Associates account. So if you don't want to do this, don't use it. I am telling you this because I am currently editing all my YouTube video thumbnails that I had created about Amazon, around Amazon subjects, Amazon promotions, Amazon tutorials that I had, and I have removed the Amazon logo from my thumbnails. I don't want any issue with anybody, and I don't want to lose any money. And this month has been doing better. I mean, I made around $35 or so. I'm gonna add my earnings report right here so you can see. However, yes, my account is at risk at the moment, and I need to fix that. I'm gonna show you what I am doing to change this logo issue and avoid getting my Amazon Associates account closed. Okay, so let's go to my computer. Okay, so I went to Canva and looked for all my content. Here you can go to projects and search for any content that contains the word Amazon. And you can do that, or just go to your designs and go for your most recent designs, and you can go ahead and look for those as well. Okay, and I was going through my YouTube videos and went to my content and just filter by Amazon. As you can see, I already changed a lot of my thumbnails. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see them. I removed the logo completely, and this is how I am using it. I am hoping they don't warn me about any words, Amazon related words that I am using. For example, the Kindle word, the Amazon word, the Prime student words. I actually talked with the Amazon support person, and she said that I was able to use the Amazon word and type it in on my own, so I went ahead to do that. You can see here that these thumbnails was already changed. On this one, I already changed this one. Let's look for one that it's not changed yet. This one right here has the Amazon logo. What I need to do is remove the Amazon logo, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use this same word and element, and I'm gonna just add it here. As you can see, I'm keeping these just to make sure that you can see it and be aware of what was the before and then the after. And if you're curious to know which font I'm using, it's called Lazards Sans Serif. And I'm just gonna fix this shadow right here. Okay, so now I'm going to download this and upload it to my thumbnail on my channel. Here it is, and you can see the logo is still here, so I'm gonna change it now. Okay, and it's done. I just click on save, and here is the new thumbnail, and you will see it here as well. And it pops. I didn't change a lot my thumbnail, but this is, to be honest, a little bit time consuming for someone like me that it's a mom and I don't have any help to do this, but it's something that I really have to do in order to keep my Amazon Associates account. Also, it was funny to find out that whenever I wanted to look for any Canva elements regarding Amazon or related to Amazon, if I got the elements and you search now for Amazon, I cannot see or find any of the elements that I used before to do these Amazon thumbnails. So now you can see all of these pictures that are related. You can see this logo, but you cannot see, and this one like this, you can see these as well. I'm not sure if these are or not allowed because it's the A, and I'm not sure if the designers are allowed to use this, but if you look for the Amazon logo right here, for example this one, it has the card with the logo, but also a coin right here. So it's not really the Amazon logo, and you cannot actually find any logo like I used before. This is quite amazing. I mean, so I guess Amazon is going through an audit right now and doesn't want us to use the Amazon logo, and that's why it has been removed from Canva as well. So that's the news. That's how I actually changed my thumbnails, and I strongly recommend that you don't use it either, so you can get away of any troubles. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.